how to get real estate leads at open houses in 2025. My first open house, no one showed up. One melted cookie and one full-blown identity crisis. And I see agents still doing the same thing. They show up late, scroll Instagram, and call it a day. Yeah, that's not how you're gonna get leads. If you're tired of advice from so-called real estate coaches who haven't touched a buyer lead since the rotary phone era, hit subscribe. I still have a real estate team, I'm still growing it, and we're still helping agents grow every single day. And I only share what actually works right now, not 5 years ago. I'm Suneet Agarwal, top agent, team leader, and a guy who built his client base from scratch. No rich uncle, just grind. And open houses, that was my dojo. Let me know in the comments, do you love open houses or absolutely hate them? No middle ground. I want to see some all caps emotion. We've all had those open houses where it's just you, a pile of flyers, and deafening silence. You start doubting your life choices. But I'm telling you right now, it's not the open house that's broken. It's your setup. And once I figured it out, everything changed. Step 1, the setup starts online. Your open house starts days before the doors open. Post to Zillow, Insta stories, email your list, and drop it in local Facebook groups. I once did a dumb video dancing in a kitchen and 2 buyers showed up just from that. Don't be boring. Be seen even if you have to be embarrassed doing things outside of your comfort zone. Use photos, a walkthrough video, and a clear call to action like visit and win a gift card. Step 2, signage. Signs are your first impression. I use as many as possible, and not just the 4 you borrowed from your brokerage. Go crazy, spend a decent little amount of budget on getting a bunch of signs. Have bright arrows, clean branding, and place them all over the neighborhood. One guy said your signs were so aggressive, I had to come see what the hype was all about. And he ended up buying a few months later. If this is already helping, or you've ever used Starbucks bribes to get real contact info, go ahead and like the video. No shame, we've all been there. Step 3, sign-in incentive. This is your list builder. Have a clean sign-in process, QR code or iPad with a reason to register. Offer a market report or neighborhood guide. If there's no what's in it for me, you're just begging for fake names. Step 4, ask the magic question. When visitors show up, don't just pounce. Ask, are you working with an agent? This one question tells you everything. If they're not, hey, you've got a lead. If they are, build good rapport anyways. Either way, don't be salesy, just be helpful. If you're tired of chasing cold leads and want a smarter way to work the ones you've already got, download my free guide, The 4 Pillars for Working Leads That Actually Convert. It's the exact system I use to make sure no lead gets left behind, even the ones who ghosted you last summer. Step 5, follow up within 2 hours. This is where 90% of agents drop the ball. You should text or email everyone who signed into your open house within 2 hours. Hey, thanks for dropping by. Do you have any feedback on the home? It starts the convo without being pushy. Step 6, recap video. After the open house, record a 60-second video walkthrough of the property and text it to your sign-ins. In case you missed anything, here's a quick recap, something easy like that. This builds trust and gives you a reason to follow up again. So here's a quick recap. Promote early, go big on signage, incentivize sign-in, ask the magic question, follow up that same day, and number 6, send a recap video. If this is clicking for you, if you're like, damn, I wish I knew this when I started, good news. I wrote it all down. My upcoming book, Team Leader Secrets, covers everything. I've gone from being a broke newbie to building one of the top teams in the country. You're going to learn lessons that actually work. Links below, get on that wait list today. Next up, I'm reacting to some of the cringiest real estate recruitment ads you've ever seen. If you've ever posted, we're not a team, we're a family, then be sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss it.